Hold on 1 second. Let me go put on a shirt. Make this shit more appropriate. Sorry for swearing. I don't give a fuck. This bitch ain't focusing on me. But I'm gonna apologize real quick. If you see my clothes in the background, it's because I'm a lazy person and I don't do it right away when my clothes are finished. And I'm not a messy person. I'm not. Maybe. I'm actually back on YouTube because I want to. Because I'm hella bored. And it's really funny because I think if I hop back on YouTube, am I gonna disappear again? Who knows, but you know, it is what it is. Like 1:48 in the morning. I feel like I'm gonna make a family montage, family edit of the beach. Our family members are actually together. What our beach day consists of. Like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And enjoy the video.
Are we wrong? Are we right? We jump first and then decide. It's hard to explain it. Heavy hearts weigh us down, and the water's getting deep. Do we swim or do we sink? 'Cause there's still a long, long way to go. Worrying over our heads, we're holding our breath. Will we ever get to the other side before there's nothing left? Yeah, our bodies are weak, we're tired of hurting. Will we ever get to the other side? Don't know, but I swear I'll die trying. Can't say yes, can't say no. This thing's out of my control. It's hard to explain it. Heavy hearts weigh us down, and the water's getting deep. Do we swim or do we sink?
Is this thing focused? Now it is. But thanks for watching my video, and you already heard it from me in the beginning. Like, comment, and subscribe, bitches. Shoots!